Russian state arms manufacturer Rostec introduced a new vertical takeoff and landing S-76 transport drone at the Army 2024 Forum. The S-76 drone features long-range capabilities and a substantial cargo capacity, carrying 300 kilograms of cargo over a distance of about 500 kilometers. The armed forces of Ukraine have started using BAD-2 robot dogs created by the British firm Brit Alliance. The BAD-2 robot dogs are compact ground drones fitted with high-definition video cameras specifically designed for reconnaissance operations. To evade possible detection, these robots are equipped with German-made anti-thermal camouflage to improve their stealth effectiveness. Rheinmetall, a German-based defense company, has secured a significant contract to supply the Czech Republic with 14 Leopard 2A4 main battle tanks and 1 Buffalo armored recovery vehicle as part of an ring swap initiative, which involves the Czech Republic donating Soviet-era combat vehicles to Ukraine. China recently unveiled a twin-engine transport unmanned aircraft with a maximum range of 1,800 kilometers. The UAV requires only 15 minutes to load and unload freight and can operate at high altitudes up to 7,000 meters. India is speeding up negotiations to buy 31 weaponized MQ-9B hunter-killer drones from US, aiming to finalize the major deal by November or December this year. These drones are designed for high-altitude, long-endurance missions, significantly bolstering India's surveillance and precision strike capabilities.